What is up everyone? Today I'm gonna bring this fat boy out in the street and ride with my GoPro Hero 12, and we're gonna take some POV shots and see how it feels to riding a motorcycle like this in India, especially in Punjab, because I never see a Harley Davidson Fat Boy around this town. So I want to capture some reactions from the people, because every time I ride this bike there's so many reactions out of the people. Right now it's 8 a.m. in the morning, the weather is perfect, and let's go for the ride, shall we? Alright, let's start up this bike real quick. Look at this amazing bike. So loud, like, it's fun. Everyone can hear. I can hear very clearly, like the thunder and the bass. I don't know if you guys can hear. Probably can. It's amazing weather. I love it. Actually, I might just stop at somewhere to fit my jacket, because I think I forgot to close my zip. Holy cow, that's why I'm feeling cold. I might just stop here actually, yeah. Alright, we continue. We all good. It's actually my first time filming this point of view with GoPro, so I'm kind of like very be careful while I'm riding, because while I'm riding usually I pay very like close attention to the traffic. Fuck, there was a dog chasing me. That's crazy. Holy shit, this is fun. Like, I'm finally able to share my point of view of riding a Harley Davidson Fat Boy. I don't know if I'm speaking too loud or not. Maybe I'll cut down the volume in the editing software. Woo! This is so good. So good to be back in India. I hate trucks, especially the slow ones. The weather is a bit like fog, isn't it? This bike is super comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna turn it back because I'm gonna make a U-turn and go back home. So this is amazing. Like I don't know what to say, but every time I ride this bike I'm like speechless how much power it has. And at some points I will make more POVs, but like I'm gonna turn back down and go back home because I don't want to go that far. It's my first ride since I landed India, and this is a warm-up. In a few days we'll make a field trip with this bike where I'm going further. Yeah. Fuck you, man. Stop horning. Ooh, fast. Fucking hell, the pickup is so good. And we are back. That's my dad.